Hello IIT Bombay friends. My name is Sanandan Alappurat Vasudevan Shambhu Swaminathan Nambudri, also known as Sandy. Batch of 91, department you could say was Kheda Engineering. Nair Medical College in the city used to have an inter-college festival, I think Arambh. IIT Bombay didn't send an official contingent, but Nobel Roy and I were always lukha. So we decided to go make some money in quizzes joined by a junior Chilambi. We breezed through the movie quiz prelims and won the finals quite comfortably. We learned that the cash prizes would be handed out at a grand ceremony that evening, so we decided to hang out. Their main auditorium was jam packed for the prize distribution. The chief guests and deans were on stage to hand out the prizes as the winners were announced by the organizers. Large trophies and shields adorned the table. The trophies were presumably for teams winning overall categories like fine arts, literary, overall winning team, etc. When IITB was called on stage for the movie quiz prize, I went up on stage, received it, got the official photos clicked, and walked back to my seat. Later, they started calling team captains to receive the big overall trophies. They called for the team captain of PD Lions College Malad, which had won the overall fine arts trophy for art, painting, music contests put together. No one went up on stage. They then asked for anyone from the PD Lions College contingent, and again, no one. It seemed to me like the PD Lions contingent had already left, but the organizers decided to announce again after all the trophies. I looked at Nobel and Chilambi. Somehow, they knew exactly what I was thinking about. Before I could finish telling them what I had in mind, Chilambi interrupted. But Sandy, you are not from PD Lions College. And then it was time for the famous dialogue from Don. ये तुम जानते हो कि मैं पीडी लायंस का नहीं हूं, ये मैं जानता हूं कि मैं पीडी लायंस का नहीं हूं, लेकिन इस स्टेज पर खड़े organizers nahi jante hai. So when the organizers announced the fine arts trophy again at the end, I went up on stage, shook hands with the dignitaries, held up this big fine arts trophy in full glory. I waved it all around to generous applause from the crowd. I posed for pictures, made a big show of it for a while, and then walked back. So random students were congratulating me in the auditorium for the trophy. I remember it was an impressive big shield with overall fine arts winner or something carved on it. Back in Hostel 9, my wing mates looked at the trophy in shock. Sandy, you guys can barely hold a paintbrush or sing a song to save your lives. How the hell did you win the overall fine arts trophy? Anyway, a week or so later, our GS cult Sarnaik calls me. It seems the Nair medical dean called our dean to complain that an IIT Bombay student had whisked away the fine arts trophy right under their noses in broad daylight. Naturally, PD Lions College had approached the organizers the next day for their trophy. Investigating the photos from the prize distribution ceremony, one of the organizers made the connection. An IIT Bombay winner of the movie quiz had walked away with the fine arts trophy too. Anyway, I made another trek to Nair Medical a few days later to return the shield. I met a large group of organizer doctors in their own mohalla. They still seemed a bit shell shocked and asked me how I could be so sure to pull off the fine arts trophy heist. I started giving them gyan about how there were too many bugs in their process. You know, a classic case of ulta chor kotwal ko date. And I asked them to come to Mood Indigo Livewire to learn how security at a festival should really be done.